In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a MIDI keyboard to Cubase. Now to do this, first you want to connect your keyboard to your computer using a USB cable or of course whatever you use to actually connect to your computer, so make sure you plug that in, and then when you've done this you can go to your Cubase, and then what you want to do is go to Studio up top, and then from here you want to click on Studio Setup here at the very bottom. Now here you'll see a bunch of things on the left under Devices, and the one that you want to go to is under MIDI, where it says MIDI Port Setup. Now when you do this over here, you want to verify that your keyboard is actually listed over here and marked as active. So if it's not listed, it means something is wrong. So it means it's either not connected to your computer, it may not be turned on, or there's some issues in the back. So if they do happen, make sure you cancel this and just exit out Cubase and just go ahead and plug out and plug back in your keyboard, and then reopen Cubase entirely, open a project, and then go here, and now you should be able to see it. Then from here you can just of course go ahead and verify it's active, and then once you've done this you can then go and create an instrument track and then select your keyboard as the MIDI input, okay? And that's essentially going to be all you have to do to actually get yourself a MIDI keyboard connected to Cubase. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.